DOS Trader Tutorials brought to you by Bear Bull Traders. Hey traders, this is William and Bear Bull Traders, and we have a special video series coming for you right now, which is everything you ever wanted to know about DOS. This will be for the brand new trader who's never opened up DOS to the most advanced trader who's been trading for years on DOS, and you think you know everything that DOS has to offer. I challenge you, I bet you don't, but even if you did, we have a special line of communication with DOS where we've had a lot of features added to DOS over the years through member request and through my own personal request as well. So you are going to have the ability to request any new features that you think would be great for DOS. I already think DOS is the best trading software on the market to use, but we can still make it better. Things can always be improved. So we like to bring series that help you to become your best trader that you can be. Whether it's through trading setup videos, whether it's through psychological videos, or whether it's through how to best utilize and understand your trading platform. So if you're a brand new trader or your most advanced trader, this is going to have everything for you. Let me list off just a couple ideas that we have from the most requested items. Again, some very simple, some not so simple, and then we will take requests through YouTube comments, through member requests, in our chat room, through emails, and we will add a video on every single item, and this will live on forever. So if anyone ever in the future wants to learn something about DOS, they're going to know where to find it, and we will continue to make videos. So we're talking about, let's list some off. How to create and link charts with montage and time and sales. Simple, right? How to set up and use DOS on mobile devices. Not everyone knows how to do that. How to back up, update, and restore settings. How to reset buying power in Simulator. Transfer price levels to all charts. Enable double-click function to trade. 4 different ways to zoom in on charts, and I bet you don't know all of them. How to create price alerts with custom sounds. How to make and use simple and complex hotkeys. And again, how to make requests through Bear Bull Traders to get new DOS features added. That's a very short list. We are going to answer everything that you have. Any question that you have about DOS, we will make a video on it and post it. So it's coming right now. Some will be simple that you already know, some won't be. So follow along and remember, just ask, request us anything. Thank you so much.